Philon will bring it front court for the Tide. He'll play off a screen from Allen. He'll drive Will Labaron. Gets to the low block, kicks it out to Amari between the circles. He'll work against Reed. Now over to Philon. 10 to shoot as Labaron works into the lane. Stops, looks, hands it off. Nice pump fake by Terrell. The reverse layup gives Bama its first 2 of the game and the early advantage. 1 minute into this one. Philon walking it up for the Crimson Tide. Labaron 2 minutes into this ball game will take it right side. He'll go to his left. He'll hesitate. He'll work into the paint. Being hounded, he'll swerve away from a defender. Gets the laner to go. What a great move. Not really sure what more Tay Davis could have done. Reed cut off, fires it over left wing. Philon 3 short. And the long rebound comes to Labaron. He'll try it again. That one finds nothing but the bottom of the sack in the first, bank first 3-pointer of the game for Alabama. Makes it a 9-5 advantage for the Crimson Tide. Bama a little sloppy there as now the Sooners will drive. Had it stripped initially by Bowen and picked up by Philon. Good play by Taylor Bowen to Millette. One more to Holloway, back to Millette. Houston will hand it off to Philon, who gets it back out to Millette. For 3, bottom. Boy, it is nice to see him knock down his first attempt of the game as well. Inbounds pass goes to Philon. Underneath it would go, but he's fouled and he'll go to the line. Up to go and made a freebie, but he does get 1 of 2 at the
Sooners. Alabama hasn't scored in over 3 minutes.
Here is Philon hesitating. Now handing it off, getting a return pass, goes to his right, goes down the lane, kicks it back to Sherrill. Open 3, bottom. Aiden Sherrill ends the drought for the Crimson Tide with a bank first 3 and cuts it back to a 2-point advantage for OU. They're the only one in the league that does that, but those two have combined for only 11 so far in this game. Holloway with it, front court, gives it off into the corner to Allen. Nice look down low, and Sherrill throws it home for the first 2 of the second half.
That pass had to have some zip on it, and it did. Beautiful look from Amari Allen.
Labaron letting traffic go by, plays off the screen, kicks it over to Houston for 3, bottom. Alabama, a great start, a 5-0 beginning to half number 2, and the Tide is to within 6. Working against Holloway, throws it to the top of the arc. They'll throw it away. Great steal by Millette on the throw from Davis. Bama works it ahead. The layup good for 2 by Philon. Transition bucket, and Alabama's regained the lead. 45-44 on a 12-0 run to begin this second half.
Yeah, great.
Amari playing off the screen now from Sherrill. Stops, looks to Philon with 7 to shoot. Philon, tough drive to the rim and got it to go off the window.
My goodness, what a play by Labaron. Philon took all kind of contact, didn't have much of an angle to the basket, but able to finish up high and
fall. Rebound claimed by Allen. Amari ahead to Philon. Labaron backs it out, now crosses over, goes right side, lays it up, got fouled. He was at 76%. And the front end of a 1-and-1, good by Philon. With Philon to Millette, to the elbow, and Sherrill. He will pivot, he'll face the basket, he'll dribble right, he'll hand it off to Philon. He'll get into the lane, teardrop up, friendly roll, got it to go. 2-point contest, it's been stolen by Jones. Sooners with it right side. Driving, losing the handle with the basketball was Pack, and now it's a scramble, picked up by Sherrill, and Aiden gets fouled. That's gonna be on Jones.
That was a great job in transition defense by Labaron Philon. It was a 2-on-1. He was able to knock the ball away. Great hustle by Aiden Holloway. Aiden Sherrill able to get it strong with the ball. Takes the contact.
Pack on the right wing. Holloway jumper, no good. Rebound tipped and claimed by Millette for Alabama. Here comes Houston, flipping it ahead to Philon. From the wing for 3, bottom! Labaron Philon on the assist from Houston Millette. A bank first 3 pulls Bama to within 73-70 of Oklahoma with 3:38 to go.
Over this one, knocks down a huge shot.
Sooners try to answer. They miss a 3, and it's taken away by Millette again. Bama ahead in transition. Philon letting traffic go by. Getting into the lane, lays it up, missed it. Rebound tip back to Philon for the tie. Bottom. Let's start over. Deadlocked at 73 with 3:11 to go. Timeout, Oklahoma with 3:09 to play when we come back. 73-73 our score on the Crimson Tide Sports Network from Learfield. Baron Philon says, I got you, coach, as Nate Oates gives instruction. 27 to play, 12 to shoot. Bama the ball in a 1-point lead. Philon on the drive, got tripped, kept his balance. Reverse layup, good! And he is fouled! Oh, mercy! Labaron Philon falling down. The reverse layup and a chance for the and one, which would put Bama up 4 with 20 seconds to play.
Nate Oates decides not to call a timeout, but gets his players in the position that he wanted them. Houston Millette with a screen up top. Labaron Philon takes the contact but doesn't lose his footing. Strong through the play, finishes through contact, and a huge and one opportunity. He's made back-to-back threes to tie the score with about 3 minutes to play, and now a chance for a huge three-point play.
Coach, Philon trying to convert the and one. He does, and Bama leads it by 4 with 20 seconds to go.